Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Google Chats from Gmail, then please watch this video. So I'll tell you what, earlier we had Google Chats on the left pane by default. Or if you wouldn't find it, just click on more and you will definitely find it. Or these chats are the ones which are the messages on Google Chats. But now we do not see the Google Chat icon, that active and passive one, because this is a feature which has, I wouldn't say it has been removed, but it has been hidden. So if you want to activate it, click on the settings symbol here. Okay. And then you can select this option for customize. Now you can, to enable Google Chat, you can simply check the box here and then click on done. You'll have to reload the page and see what happens. You will notice that Google Chat has become a separate tab on the left side. It is not here in this pane, but it is on the as a tab on the left side. So when you click on it, you'll notice Google Chats here. You can initiate a new chat by finding the email ID of the person, or you can join some other chat. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.